Hey, if you are using AirPods Pro 2nd generation and your charging case stops working, basically it's not charging anymore, then I can highly recommend you to simply clean this lightning port or USB-C port if you have this second version of AirPods Pro. And first of all, before you start, just simply be sure that you remove both earbuds from the case. And now also try to grab some thin item like, for example, the SIM tool, but inputting this metal parts inside the charging case, it's not recommended. So I can recommend you to bring some, plastic material or from wood, something from made of wood. So you will have to start actually by inputting this item inside the lightning port and gently try to remove everything that is inside. Okay, so as you can see, that's how it actually looks in my case. And now we can simply try to connect this cable inside your, wait a minute, I just lost the focus. So right now we can simply input this cable right here and check if it is working. If it's still not working, then you should actually take advantage of a warranty or, for example, contact with professional repair service, so they will definitely try to fix this issue, and that will be all the quick solution for you. Maybe it will work. Thanks for watching.